Ever had to tow a school bus with a fire truck? Well, tonight's the night. Welcome to the Gonzo Guide. All right, just topped her off. Let's see how she purrs. Oh yeah, we're in business, baby. We made it with the fire truck, and here we are saving the Blackbird. We overheated and possibly head gaskets, so now we're gonna tow it home back to the ranch. Luckily, we're only like 50 miles away from the ranch, so we're gonna hook it up to the chain and then pull the drive shaft and cross our fingers. Let's go.
Hey.
Not yet? Okay, here we go. I'm rolling.